Good morning, everyone. Today we have a 2013 Chevy Impala. As you can see, these are headlights on there. They're oxidized, faded, and I'm going to be switching them out with the Rock Auto headlights that I bought. And I'll have the link and the price in the description. Okay, inside of here we have two headlights. It should be the left and the right. And we're going to take them out of the box and we're going to install them. Okay, compared to the old one, that's how the new one looks. And with the wrapper on it, you can see that it's a lot clearer. It looks virtually the same. And as you saw the back previously, it looks like it's just simple plug and play. So now we're going to start with the passenger side, or the right side if you're sitting from inside the car. And we're going to swap that out. Alright, so out of them, the 932s seem to be the one that kind of fit, so I'm gonna try that out, see how that works. Nope, wasn't it? Okay, the 932 didn't seem to go on that properly. So here's the 7mm. I'm gonna try that one. Okay, the 7mm seems to be on there more snug. And it's working. It's loose. And this is real simple. It's like plug and play. So take this portion off. That little tab here. Oh, it came off way too easy. So back to this side here. Finish unscrewing it with your hand. Try not to drop it in the engine bay, or she's stuck trying to find it. Whenever I don't have the camera on, I don't know why it seems to be that stuff is so much easier to do. We're going back and forth between the camera. Makes things a little bit harder. I don't know why. Okay, boom, that's finally out. I'm gonna put it right there where I can see it. Alright, so now that the headlight, the tab has been removed, that one bolt holding it in has been removed, we're going to now pull it out. And gently, don't just snatch it out. In the back here, I don't know if you can see, there's this wire here. You have to push that tab, slide it out, and boom. Off comes your headlight assembly. So this little piece right there, just slide it out. And also for future reference, if you want to know where your horn is, it's my horn right here. And I gotta go back into this because I believe the wires were cut for this horn. But that's another video. Say anything, just leave it.
A secret?
Alright, so now we have the new one. I had actually was showing the wrong one. So now we're gonna plug this one in. Make sure you hear that little click. Push the side in first. Make sure it's in there snug.
Now we gotta put the old one in.
And then put back in or a bolt.
Daddy, what is this?
That's the camera stand.
I can't see.
Don't mess with it. Leave it be. Watch it. Move from off the camera. Move it off the camera.
Twist it. Twist it more. You're sweating.
Yeah, it's hot out here. Keep twisting it. Twisting. For this last part, tighten it down. Okay, boom. And don't forget to put back your tab. Lock it in place. Boom. The driver's side, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna unscrew it, and then we're gonna take off this little tab here. Pull that tab, put it to the side so you don't lose it, and then out comes the old light. Yeah. Out comes the old light. And remember, don't just yank it, because there's the wire. So where's that piece? It's supposed to press that wire. This one here. Pull that tab, pull back. Try and be gentle.
You got one in?
And then we're gonna put the other one back in. Okay. So right now, this is the driver's side headlight. Remember to hook up the connection first. Make sure you hit that little click. And make sure it's seated properly. And boom. I don't know, this side just slides in a whole lot easier than the other side. Let me tighten it. And then remember the tab here. And the tab is on. Okay, it wasn't beeping because my son partially opened the door. So here we're gonna try again. And that's the two lights in the front. And I'm gonna turn on the lights. It's daytime. I should have done this close to the evening, but we'll see. I don't even know if you can see that. Let me try and turn on the high beams. Alright, that's the high beams on in the front. Like I said, it's daytime, so you're not going to really be able to see much. But it came out okay, so it wasn't that hard. Alright, it's evening time now. This is the vehicle when you go hit it to lock. Those slide up. Just the vehicle locking. To lock again, lock, and then unlock. So it's pretty bright. Lock it back.